Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
3. Comprehensive record keeping. During your fitting, our seamstress or tailor takes precise measurements and notes any specific instructions. These details are then memorialized in our computer system for future reference, ensuring consistent results and making it easy to replicate or adjust alterations on subsequent visits.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.